Okay, so the first thing I do, I try to find some samples of Islamic art and I'd open it up as a resource or a sample on my computer, if the computer is wide enough. Okay, I just keep it in the corner. I'm going to have to make it smaller. Then I go to this website. It's called Sketch.io. It's Sketchio. And you all are going to love this website. You can create some really cool art with this website just on the computer, and it's absolutely free. You want to go where it says Sketchpad, that should be in red, then go down to where it says English. You can click. It has other languages as well. All right, so I have one opened up already, a geometric pattern or an Islamic pattern actually that I started to make. So how did I do this? I'm about to show you. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go down and move to where it says the plus sign. You see a plus sign on the right, and that plus sign you click and you can get a new image. So you have a selection. You can use blank paper, grid paper, graph, line, transparent, blueprint, notebook paper, even loose leaf paper. I'm going to choose the grid. Okay, choosing the grid, I'm going to click create. Okay, once I have that done, I'll go back up to my tools and I'm going to click where I see it says it looks like a feather. Actually, it says calligraphy. Okay, calligraphy is usually used for drawing or writing letters. Okay, I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up the window on the side here. It says calligraphy with the feather. And I click on the arrow next to it and I can access more tools. I can get a hold of more tools that you can see. And you can experiment with all these tools before you actually create your art project. Just to learn more about the program, I'm going to click the pencil tool, good old trusty pencil. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here and where you have on this graph, each corner, you can actually put a dot or a mark. Okay. But actually, I'm going to go back. I don't think I want the pencil tool this time. I'm going to choose something even better, which is the line tool, because we're kind of making geometric art. We want our lines to be really sharp and really straight. So I'm just going to click on a point wherever the corners meet somewhere. Okay. Click a dot. Okay. You drag down. Okay. And I'm going to just click another dot. I'm just going to make a perfect square, or as perfect as possible. Okay, I'm going to go across on my line on my grid paper here, or my grid screen, and I'm going to click another corner here. That looks like a pretty good size square there. Click, go up the same line. I'm going to eyeball it and look and make sure that I'm matching where I started the first line at the top. Click. Okay, and then I'm going to go across and click again. I believe it's going to release. And there you have a perfect square. So now what do we have to do? Well, we're not done yet. We're going to make some diagonal lines and some straight lines and horizontal lines. Okay. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to click on the corner. Okay. We're going to create a diagonal line from corner to corner. Okay. All right, now I can't go back up again. I'm just gonna have double lines. It's gonna look really messy and not neat. So what I need to do, I need to drag over to the bottom where it says close path, click, okay, and the path should be closed. Then I can start another line from corner to corner, another diagonal line. I'll just click here at the bottom, go across, boom. All right, then I'm gonna go back and click close path again. It's closed. That means I'm no longer connected to those lines. They're drawn out. They're there for good. Now I need to make a line down the middle. I'm just going to make a vertical line. I'm going to find the middle, or what I think is the middle. I just want to have my line go right in between this X here, right between the point where the X meets. In the center, all right, I'm going to click right about there. I think that's pretty good. And I'm going to go down, click to my bottom line, connect it on the bottom line, click. Okay, go to my path, close path, there you go. Same thing horizontally. I kind of want my line to go as much across in the middle, right in the middle, in the intersection there, right in the center, okay? So I'm going to click on the side, maybe in the middle this time of one of my boxes. I'm gonna drag across, make sure it's going across right in the middle. Click to the other side of the line. On the side, click, and I'm clicking with my right mouse button, or actually my left mouse button. I'm going to close path to disconnect, and there we go. We've started off our Islamic pattern. But we have to do a few more things. Now we have to make a square within a square. So what can we do to do that? Well, here's what you got to do, okay? We're going to make a smaller square right in the center. So I'm going to click right about here, okay? Gonna go again, doing the same thing, sort of corner to corner. I'm gonna stop with my little dot or my little square on each line. Stop, okay? And I'm just going around. I wanna touch corners if possible, okay? I'm sort of going corner to corner just with a smaller square in the middle, okay? I'm gonna go back up. Okay, I'm gonna line it up to the line where my first square started. And I think this is a good point to stop there, click, go across, and it should connect and close where I first started this smaller square. Does everybody see that? I sure hope so. Now, we're almost done. Okay, we made a square. We made like an X in the middle, or actually two X's, or an X and one vertical and one horizontal line. Now we're gonna make another square, sort of a diamond shape. So we're gonna start right at the top in the middle. I'm gonna click, and I'm gonna drag across to my next line over here. That's in the middle, horizontal line. I'm going to click right on top. I'm going to go across. I'm making sort of a diamond shape to the middle again, but at the bottom, I'm going to click. I'm going to go up. I'm going to click on the side. Does everybody see what I'm doing? And now I'm going to go across again to the top. And I'm going to click, and my path should be closed. And there you have a nice, simple Islamic pattern design. Now, I could even add more to this to make it more fancy, but that's good enough. So now I need to add some color. So how do I add some color? Well, here you go. I'm going to click on my paint bucket tool. It says pixel fill right on the side here, okay? I'm gonna click that. There you go. Now I can use red. I can use another color if I want to. It's up to me. I think I'll pick another color. I'll just click on where it says fill. And in the box, it opens up a host of colors. And I can slide down to see a few more colors. I think I want to go with maybe a purple color this time, okay? So I'm just going to try to pick one of these lines. And the key to this is at the top of your paint bucket tool box in the second window here with your tools where it says, where you see a paint bucket, it should say pixel fill. Okay, it should not say vector fill. If it says vector fill, you're just gonna fill the whole page up with color. But if you click on that arrow and it says pixel fill, you're just going to click on an area and it's going to fill that area with color like this. There you go. Just one click will do it, or two. There you go, 2 clicks. Sometimes one does it, it's a bit sensitive at times. I just clicked it once there. Sometimes you have to click it twice. If you make a mistake, just click this undo, it should change it. All right, just a little curved arrow here on the side, on the right side of the page. Okay, I'm just going around. All right. And so on, and now I can go back to where it says fill. I can pick another color. Maybe this time I'm going to pick orange, and I just do the same thing, adding more colors. I'm just going to go with the outside triangles, okay? And they could be all the same color, or I could bounce around and create different colors. And I think you sort of got the point here. I'm gonna let you play around with this program in Sketchpad here, or Sketch.io, and see what you can come up with and see what kind of cool Islamic design you can create for me and for yourself too. And once you're done, I want you to save it on the Google Art Drive of Google Classroom, okay? It should be on your page of your class. All right, and that's it for today. I will talk to you again next time. I will make more cool and fun art.